The Perky Pet Squirrel-Be-Gone 2 is perfect for those birders who have squirrel problems. Featuring a weight-activated perch bar that closes to prevent squirrels from having access to the seed makes it a great solution. Not to mention it has an attractive all-metal design and removable roof for easy filling. In preparation for filling your feeder, first you'll need to remove the rooftop. Using both hands, push in on both sides of the metal hanger and lay the hanger backwards. Next, turn the weather vane on top of the roof counterclockwise and remove. Take out the included pole mount attachment and screws that are located inside the feeder. You are now ready to reassemble and fill your feeder with seed. Take the metal topper and observe the shape of the insert that threads into the feeder support beam. Line up the inserts with the opening in the support beam. Once they are lined up, push down and turn the weather vane clockwise to secure the rooftop closed. To reassemble, take both sides of the handle and squeeze inwards. Push in on both sides and lift up. You are now ready to hang your feeder. Hang your feeder by a hook, the feeder handle, or if you choose to pole mount your feeder, use the included pole mount insert and screws. A good location for your feeder is in the sun. Birds like to feed in warm areas, but keep in mind that they prefer an area that gets little wind. The Perky Pet Squirrel-Be-Gone 2 is perfect for those who are ready to bird watch in their backyard. Relax and enjoy!